Hey guys, Glenda White here again with Verity Mortgage, the mortgage coach DFW. We appreciate you coming today, spending an hour out of your busy day to move the needle in your business, to find this one piece of technology that's going to really enhance what you do and give more time back in your day so you can do what you do best. That's prospecting, networking, building those relationships. So there's one pro tip that I want to show you that I couldn't kind of discuss today. It was kind of loud. So this is how to get rid of the gray background in GPT. As you can see, when we just simply copy and paste over to a Word document or a email, you've got that gray bar behind you. So the one hack that we have is open up your Excel spreadsheet, simply copy and paste, and then go copy that information back over to your email, and boom, that gray bar is done. So that is a great hack for you to implement. And I would just have that one question for you is how can we continue to help you grow in 2023? So if you're looking for a partner that's going to help you move your needle, let us know. We would love to sit down, have a conversation, and see how we can help you build a better 2023. And until next time, y'all make it a great day.